with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do a cooking video on the Supreme Duet See-Thru Wood Fireplace. Now the Supreme Duet is a zero clearance wood fireplace. It's also one of the few zero clearance see-through fireplaces available on the market. Now this particular model is pretty cool because it does have two separate cooking grills on the side of the unit that flip down. So I think right now it's probably hard to tell what my fire is doing, but I basically have a small bed of coals across the bottom. So I'm going to spread out the coals, I'm going to flip down the grill, and I am going to grill up some sausages for you guys today. So a small amount of coals in the bottom of the firebox is all that you want for when you're grilling, because the grill sits pretty low down. So you can see I just have a small smoldering fire at this point. Here are the two cooking grills. I just used my poker to pull them down, and I'm going to go ahead and put some sausages on there. So I have just two sausages that I'm going to cook up for lunch here. I'm going to go ahead and put them directly over the body of coals. And this is so awesome because literally it's like cooking on a campfire in your house. So it's important you don't want to leave your door open because you'll run the risk of overfiring the unit. So very, very important. Wow, these sausages are cooking quick. Okay, so you can see are like literally probably that was maybe a minute. And they're literally cooking so quick. So that's why you really just want such a small amount there. So I have tongs, probably the easiest way, kind of just like you would use if you were grilling regularly, like while you're camping. All right, guys, perfectly done. One side got cooked a little quick, but the other side looks absolutely perfect. One thing I do love about this grill is because it sits so low, like I said before, you want like a bed of coals under there to cook on it because it sits low, but not just because of that, but if you have too much going on, your food is just gonna cook too quick. But you have a really nice high rise off the top of the grill, so you could definitely fit like a pretty tall pan in there if you wanted to do soups or, you know, like a stew, something like that. If you guys like our videos, if you find them helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like our videos, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.